Notes in the brain can contain tables to display structured content. Tables can be created manually from the Insert Table option in the Content Area toolbar, or you have the option of copying an existing table from Excel and pasting right into a note. When creating a new table from scratch in the brain, you'll be presented with a grid to select the desired number of rows and columns. For larger tables, more rows and columns can always be added at any time. To add an additional row or column, I'll place my cursor in the table and click the plus button at the end of the column or row in the desired location. The first line in a table is treated as a header row. If it has content, the header row will display a contrasting font and background color. If you leave it blank, it will simply not be displayed when the note is not being actively edited. Now that we can insert tables into notes, let's modify them. First, many of the formatting capabilities for notes can exist within cells, such as bullets, headings, and colors. Any formatting option that can be used will still be accessible in the Content Area toolbar. If a formatting option for what you have selected is not available, it will be grayed out in the toolbar. Multi-line cells are supported by using Shift-Enter. To format an entire row or column, click the appropriate row and use the formatting buttons accordingly. If an entire row or column ever needs to be deleted, again, just select the arrow and press the Delete key on your keyboard. And now it's time to get creative. Place your cursor in the table and click the table icon in the upper left-hand corner. This opens the table toolbar, allowing you to move selected rows or columns up, down, left, or right. Or open the table theme editor, where you can modify the colors of your fonts and cells. To speed things along, try selecting from one of the many pre-built styles. Your data has never looked so good as it does now with the Brain's custom tables.